Senior problems, prom shopping. He doesn't want to see no camera, whatever, no paparazzi. But yeah, senior issues, prom shopping, last minute prom shopping. Yes, last minute prom shopping. See my little shoes. You like my shoes? Y'all can't see them. But yeah, can't find him a jacket, but I don't see. There's a royal blue one, but it's probably $195. The devil's a lie. That's why I said. That's why I kept walking. The devil's a lie. No $195 over here. We're going over this way to look for some sales racks. But yeah, we at Dillard's. I have to put it way up here so my face don't look funny. I'm tired, as usual. We're still in this mall. To record him. I'm getting him because he got me in this mall and he's about to close. Off to MACY'S, last stop to see if they got some suits. But yeah, crazy child line. And this mall running for me, I don't care. That's why I'm embarrassing. Do this stuff to me, I embarrass you. So, mission accomplished. Still gotta get his pants, but we got a nice jacket. Nice jacket. Even though he's still hiding from the camera, but yeah, we got a nice jacket. This is what your room looks like when you're preparing for 2 proms at the same time. She has hers on still fitting. I'm still stitching some stuff up. Got to do her shawl. But yeah, this is what it looks like when you're still doing some stuff last minute. The prom is today, and he's over there doing whatever he's doing on the tablet. But yeah, this is what happens to your room. Just preparing for 2 people's proms. And I got my mangoes because I'm about to snack, and my cookies I've been snacking on. But yeah, what happens? You got 2 different people going to 2 different proms in the same day, people. The same day. I got to make her shawl. Tells her all her jewelry and stuff that her mom got her. Crazy, crazy people. Crazy. Eventually, put her to work. So making her cut the end of the shawl.
I'm ready to get to child labor.
Put her to work.
Child labor.
This prom stuff. Madness. Madness. You'll be 18 in a couple months, and 14 is child labor. Will you stop doing that, J3?
Girl, no, she's about to turn 18.
There's the mother. I'm throwing her in the water, too. She's going to get thrown into the fountain at the Triangle Park when we go take pictures as well. Stupid. Okay, trying to finish up this shawl. And I have to watch these little balls that's on the opposite side. They keep getting in the way a little bit, but we're going to get it together. We're going to get it together. What am I doing? I just thought I was about this. I'm doing it wrong, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for me, because I just did it wrong. I thought I was doing it wrong, and now I realize I'm doing it wrong, because if I flip it, it's going to be that side's going to be backwards. Jesus! Stop filming. And I made some shawl to go with it. And this is Prom day. Doesn't she look beautiful? Don't they just look nice? Don't they just look lovely? But all my hard work paying off, because it is cold out here. Very, very cold. Here's my son looking spiffy for prom. Got him done up, got him done up. He got the jacket with the shoes, bam, the white shoes, bam, bam, smile. I told you after all that trouble I went through, you're going to be smiling. Say hello to Team Randall.
I'm
Let them know what's up. It's Senior Prom 2018. Going down, going down. Going down downtown. Yeah, we down here by the fountains and stuff. Down here by the fountains. Got a night over. Good food, baby. You know, we're chilling down there by the fountain. I didn't get you. I know you had it. There you got him over there. Him over there. Him over here waiting for his date to find her way. A lot of other people down here in their prom dresses and stuff. Got the limos down there. Yeah, that's my limo. I'm rich. No, it's not. No, it's not. Then we got Yari right here.
Shout out to BTS.
To Team Random.
Yeah.
Team Random.
Team Random.
Yeah. Prom 2018. Going down. And then you get me, the worn out mother. Worked so hard. The worn out mother and I. Yeah, been working so hard for this prom. Stop trying to tickle my underarm. See what my shirt says? Nope. Not today, Satan. Not today. I don't know if y'all can see my little boots. Can you see my little boots? I got her over here trying to get in the camera. Kilo's trying to get in the camera, but yeah, you see my little... Into his house, Prom 2018. You get a picture. Yeah, what? Show the shoes. Show it. Lift the skirt up. Show your heel to the side. Her feet are killing her. Wow. She got no product. Yeah, no product. Get it. Get it. Deuces. Yeah, but this is the prom madness. Everybody's down here with their blue dresses and looking pretty and looking handsome.
Thank y'all so cute as well.
That's the parents of Kiva's date right there. They're from Nigeria. From my country. You want to talk to the camera? You want to talk to my people? I'm on camera. She ran. Perfect. They look nice for the prom.
Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not a real camera. I got my phone. Alright, 1 second. Alright, we do it again. 1, 2, 3. What's another pose? Yeah. Yeah, that's cute.
Pictures all day, photo shoots. This is photo shoot time. We gotta do all kind of poses.